What are you doing, girl?
I'm smashing the walnuts. Damn, you already started? She started with those guys. All right, hello and welcome to the Views Club. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fresh salad. Now, you're giving behind the scenes stuff going on, Clown? Okay, I'm almost ready.
All right.
So the package says pre-washed. What are you doing? Okay, so I'm using a mixed green little container of salads that are already pre-washed, but I'm going to tell you guys, in my recent time that I've been buying them, I would say the past 2 months, like I could buy them one day and the next day it all goes bad, which I'm not happy about because they used to last me a lot longer. But if you guys are going to be buying those easy made salads or pre-washed, definitely wash it again, straighten it, dry them up for your salad, because you don't want to get any of those little I don't know, when the greens oxidize, it's like slimy green, like almost like algae, and you guys just need to be really, really careful with that, okay? It's better to go the extra step to wash it than to get you or your family member sick. So let's go ahead and get started on the salad. I washed it. I've done my best that I can with it. Let's continue. This is going to be very, very simple, but I'm currently addicted to this salad. If you guys can get a hold of some blueberries, definitely add it to the salad. I don't have any today, so I'm making it comfortable for my home. And for that matter, I hardly ever have blueberries because my older son, that's his favorite fruit and his obsession, okay? So what we're gonna do is I cut up the strawberries like really thin wedges. So what you wanna do is you just wanna put it on the sides of your salad. And I think this is a really good revamped fruit salad. You get your good greens, right? The ones that matter. And then you get some fruit. If you guys are eating healthy, there's no reason why you can't enjoy things like this. Obviously, if you guys are doing keto, you guys already know how to calculate those carbs. I tried the keto when it first came out, like what, 4 years ago, Cloud?
When it was hyped up?
When it was hyped up, yeah. Like 4 years ago, and I'll tell you, my respects, it definitely did not do well for my system. I think the fat content started making me throw up. So I have to be really careful with like the diets that I choose, and that's why, if you guys see, I don't have diets anymore. I think that was the last of like the fad diets that I tried.
Yeah, I've seen some good results with some people that I know that are on keto.
Yeah, like it works. For some people it works, for somebody it doesn't.
They feel better.
Yep, and stronger, but my body couldn't handle, surprisingly, it couldn't handle that much fat.
Yeah.
I was like shocked. And I was eating a lot of greens with it. Mm-hmm. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to go ahead and sprinkle your almonds. And if you're watching yourself, take it easy on the almonds, because they do have a lot of calories. If you can get a hold, if you're not too particular about the health part of this salad, definitely. They have some like honey roasted nuts. Those taste so good in here, but today I'm keeping it kind of calm.
You know how I learned to take it easy on my nuts is that one of our family members told me, hey, you're going too much with the nuts. You have to make sure that you only eat as many as you can peel, like in the wild. So you know when you crack walnuts and
takes you forever.
Takes you forever. So I mean, by the time you're done, you only have energy to eat like 5.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's true. The only thing you should eat is whatever you can crack open.
Yeah, I agree. During the holidays, I do that. I'm such an old lady, guys. I really am. I'm very vintage, and I find certain glamour in the simplicity of like eras past. Yeah. So for the holidays, I definitely have like a bowl of nuts where my kids have to crack, and sometimes they like cracking. I'm like, hey, if you're not gonna eat it, you can't crack it. So yeah. Go ahead and pour your raspberries. I really wish I had blueberries, guys. I get fixated on things, and those are one things that I wish I had. And you can make your own raspberry vinaigrette, and make sure that when you're selecting your raspberries, you're looking at the companies that you're purchasing from. I'm gonna leave it at that, so that way you guys can search. I think you guys saw me post something on IG that I wasn't aware of about the raspberries I was buying, but now that I am, things have definitely changed. I'm also gonna be using this vinaigrette because I know some of you guys are super busy and hardworking, but that doesn't mean you can't enjoy a delicious meal. So I'm gonna be using this dressing. It's the Mary's raspberry vinaigrette, and your carbs are at 6 grams. Okay, because I can't give you a salad and not tell you how much is in your dressing. I think our meal today is inspired by the pasta that I'm going to be serving my family, and also inspired by this salad that I had in Sedona. Since we had it in Sedona, it's been requested like almost every day for our family, which I'm happy to hear about. So, I'm going to put it at the end, the restaurant that I had it from. So if you guys are ever in the Sedona area, you can test it out. Their pasta was good, the pizza was good, and this salad was spectacular. They added, what was it, that watermelon radish to it, and I haven't been able to get a hold of it in here. So if you guys can get a hold of watermelon radish, blueberries, it's gonna top it off wonderfully. So on that note, that's it. I'm gonna be serving my family. We're gonna have dinner al fresco. We've been enjoying that lately. Some little freshness before it gets really hot outside. So I'll make sure to take some pictures and post it for you guys so that you guys can see how it all went down. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me. If you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, take some time to subscribe. And if you're making these recipes, share them with me. I love to see your guys' versions of these recipes, and they have a whole new light, and you make it comfortable for your home. That's what's important. So continue to send them to Instagram and Twitter so I can post them like this. All right, guys, my family is hungry, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Adios!